My dear visitors, you can see the Gautam Buddha's sculpture and also his students five. Actually, you can see five students, and on the opposite side, the first is Gautam Buddha. The Gautam Buddha first after actually meditating, he got his Buddhism, and finally he actually spread his speech or his religion. First of all, five students. That's why you can see five students. Gautam Buddha actually he teach them. So you can see written in Bengali যে গৌতম বুদ্ধ প্রথমে 6 বছর মেডিটেশন করার পর তিনি বুদ্ধত্ব লাভ করেন। এরপর তিনি 5 জন ছাত্র কাছে সর্বপ্রথম তিনি বুদ্ধ প্রচার করেন, যার ফলে এই দৃশ্যটা এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি। So maybe you can understand what I mean you. So this is so interesting place inside the New Shalban Bihar or New Temple. So thank you very much.